Hello friends, in this video I want to share why most people don't optimize their website for page speed, and here are three main reasons that I found most users don't want to optimize their WordPress website. First one, they think that a website is automatically optimized for page speed because it's a written program, written CMS, and everything should be perfect as long as you do your work, regular work, just putting in new content, etc. But it's not true, because WordPress is not a single CMS. It has lots of plugins, and all plugins developed by different developers. So every developer has different priorities, and generally main goal of a plugin, of any plugin, is to provide additional functionality, not a speed. So they may not always be optimized for speed, and when you optimize for design, for example, like in Elementor plugin, it's not automatically optimized for speed. For that reason, you need to take extra steps. There are small steps, maybe 20 minutes or 10 minutes of your time, that will optimize your WordPress website for speed. And second reason, they think optimizing for page speed is expensive. They need to pay regularly, like recurring monthly hundreds of dollars for keeping their website fast, or they need expensive web hosting in order to keep their website fast. And it's also not true. You can optimize your website even on whichever hosting you are using, and additionally using with plugins, optimization plugins, and they are all free. And the reason why you don't come across lots of free plugins, because free plugins don't advertise themselves, and developers rely on word of mouth advertisement, so they don't spend time and effort for advertising because they are not expecting any financial return of that advertisement. And this brings why paid plugins are advertised and made lots of videos, or they advertise on Google, etc., because there is a monetary benefit from every sale. So for that reason, they can afford to advertise their plugins and bring in more customers to their business. And here is the third reason why most people don't optimize their WordPress website for page speed. They think it's not worth optimizing their website for page speed because they can see other websites, other plugins, other businesses that don't optimize for WordPress page speed, and they are fine. They are making profit. They are selling their services, their products, without needing to optimize for page speed. And they are right, because if main goal of business is to sell your products and services, and if you can do it without optimizing, and if it works well for you for a very long time, then it's okay if you are satisfied with it. But optimization doesn't take much time. It only takes 10 or 20 minutes of your time to use a couple plugins, free plugins, and to optimize your WordPress website, and you need to do it only once. For that reason, I have a video that shows how to optimize your WordPress website for page speed, and check that video and you will see how easy it is, and it's free. I'm using only free plugins, and it will only take 10 or 20 minutes of your time, and this optimization will work for a long time. You can keep adding new content, new images, new videos to your website without breaking its optimization, and your website will remain fast as it's optimized first time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in that video. Bye.